Soul Beauty Club. This is what the box looked like whenever it comes in. You open it. Now this is as far as I got, was I opened this part up, but they ship it to you. It all looks good. So colors are orange and white. And then we're going to see what I got because I placed the order, but I don't remember what I ordered. And how it works is when you sign up, you can sign up for a box, for a quarter, for I think like 6 months. I'm not sure if you can do annual yet, but it's totally worth it. I want to say it's around $50 a month. There is a link in my bio that'll save you 10%, I want to say. So let's see what I got. Here we go. Read first. I'm not going to read the whole thing. Okay. So it used to be all the different options and then it'd give a little blurb about them, but now it's a QR code. And here, this is for you guys. Give a friend 10% off. Give a friend 10%, get $20 back on your next box. Okay. So if you're interested, we've got the QR code, but like I said, I have the information in the link in bio too. And why I like this is it gives you a variety. So when you log in to create your box for the month, it'll say like section 1, choose 2 items. So it gives you a whole bunch of different options and you could choose 2 items from there. Next section, section 2. And it may say you choose 1 item. Section 3, choose 1 item. Section 4, choose from 2 items. You know, so that's how it goes. And you get a nice variety. Or they can help you choose what it is that you need based on your skin currently and what your goal is. So we got the Time Warp Mask, Firming Acai Berry Mask. All right, so I got that to use up. I do like my face masks. And 2 of these. Hydration Essence Mask from Zero Labs. And on the back, they put the sticker so it's in English, and then we have it in Korean also. This one is also, they have it in English. So I like that. If not, did you know you could take the photo of it and tap it and it'll translate it for you? So I'll do that quite often also. Okay. Differ and Creeper? That can't be Creeper. Differ and Deeper. Red Exosome Skin Booster. It has 5 of these in here. It has ginseng, lacto, exosome, plant-based stem cells, 8 types of hyaluronic acids, vitamin B12, brightening and anti-wrinkle functional cosmetics. So it suggests to do a skin patch. Does it have the instructions? Oh, I bet I open it up like this. Let me open up the scissors here. Ah, there we go. And I can peel this way. It takes me a little while. It's still morning here. Okay. So it comes with the 5 little ampules, and it says to take it and snap it open, put the top on it, and apply it to your skin. And then you can store it after closing, use within 2 to 3 days after opening. So what I would do would be maybe do this on the weekends, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Saturday, Sunday, Monday if I have any left, because I want you to use it within 2 or 3 days. And then you've got almost a month and a half. You've got over a month worth of good stuff. I don't need that opening thingy. So that came in it. Now, have you seen something like this? Has anyone used this? Because I'm intrigued. What else? I got this from Differ and Deeper, same company, PLLTRA Firming Band Cream. What's it say? A unique complex of Add, Explain, P, and PLLA helps improve skin elasticity and promotes smooth, healthy-looking skin. The dense, thread-like balm texture lightly adheres to and firms the skin. Okay, I need to try this out because that sounds too intriguing not to try out. So here's what the container looks like, and it comes with the little ball for pulling it up. It says on here again the PLLTRA firming band cream, clinically studied for skin elasticity. Okay, so we open it. Oh, come on. This gets annoying. I can't always pull it open. Okay, so there's nothing on this side of it. Usually that's my first swipe. But look at it. It's not goopy. Here we go. And then you can roll it in. Why? Because I already did my face today. If I would have known this was coming, I would have waited and we could have done this together. Okay, so that has a nice slip on it. It's not too heavy. It looked heavy in the beginning. See how quickly that absorbed? A light smell, but nothing ugh. Which is good because I don't like ugh smells. Okay. Okay, I like that. Yay. Got 4 more things. So 3 masks, the ampules, this lotion, and 4 more things. Now this one I did purchase because I do like this. I had this before. I used it all up. I don't always use up all of my lip products. So I got another one. And again, I didn't know it was coming and I just put on lip stuff. But there you go. And it just goes on like that. It looks sleek, it looks neat, and it feels good on. So again, that was a repeat. Here is from Dr. Sirocco. Dr. Sirocco. Jeju Matcha Clay Pack. I do like clay masks. Pore cleansing sebum care and removes dead skin. Formulated with matcha from Clean Jeju Island. This purifying clay mask lifts away impurities and deep cleans congested areas with powerful tightening, leaving skin hydrated, balanced, and replenished. So you put it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. And here's what this one looks like. It has the stuff up on top. It's got the little topper and the little spoon. It's stuck on there. Do you see it though? You see the green? I'm gonna leave that together because I'm not gonna use that right this second. And I don't need to wash that off. But I do like masks. I do like clay masks. And you know what I really like? It's authentic Korean skincare. I don't have to worry about this being something that's fake, you know, coming in. Okay, I got 2 more things left. Oh, and they're by the same company. Me Back in Seoul. This is a Sika and vitamin C serum to brighten and replenish. After apply evenly to the face, avoiding eye. Always follow up with moisturizer and add SPF. So anytime you use vitamin C or retinol, you want to use SPF, unless it's a night. Then you don't have to worry about SPF. So here we go. This is what it's like. Do you see that? No smell. You know how much I like it when things don't have a smell. I want my perfume to smell, not my skincare. Okay, so that feels really good. Again, a nice slip and slide on there. Absorbs quickly. Yay. And the final thing from this package is Sika cream to moisturize and strengthen. So that's one of the things I like about Sika is if you do have a skin barrier that you're watching out for, the Sika, the Tika, all of that stuff will help that. It's very good for calming. Sika cream. This is what the container looks like. And then I can put that top back on there. just in case it goes upside down or whatever. Okay, so here we go. So this is a little thicker, richer, of course, than the serum, which is what we want. And again, no scent. At least not a scent that I'm smelling. So that's what I got in my Seoul Beauty Club box for this month. To start with, we have the clay pack. After the clay pack would be either the ampule or the serum, or both. After that would be the moisturizer to firm, or in case of irritation. I like moisturizers. You're supposed to use a pea size. I don't use a pea size. I use more, and then it just all soaks in it, and this is what 49 looks like. Whenever you're done with that, you could see, well, during it, I guess after the ampule or serum, or maybe after the cleanse, you could put on the masks. Don't put it on after the moisturizer though, and then you got the lip. So that's what I got. Pretty full and complete skincare set. All I'm missing is the cleanser, and I got the clay pack. So that works. And again, you can check out the link in the bio, and you can order yours and get a little bit of Seoul coming to your doorstep every month.